1. Introduction to the superfood. Before we delve into the details, we will introduce you to this extraordinary superfood. It is a natural and readily available ingredient that has been celebrated for centuries for its health-promoting properties. This superfood is known for its rich concentration of essential nutrients and compounds that can have a profound impact on your circulatory system. 2. Nutritional profile. To reap the benefits of this superfood, it is essential to understand its nutritional composition. It is packed with vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including vitamins A, C, and E, as well as potassium, magnesium, and polyphenols. These nutrients work synergistically to support overall cardiovascular health and improve blood flow. 3. Benefits for blood flow. Now, let's explore how this superfood specifically contributes to improving blood flow in the legs and feet. Vasodilation. The compounds in this superfood promote the relaxation and expansion of blood vessels, a process known as vasodilation. This widens the pathways for blood to flow, reducing the risk of blockages and improving circulation in the extremities. Anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can hinder blood flow. The anti-inflammatory properties of this superfood help reduce inflammation in blood vessels, allowing for smoother blood flow. Anticoagulant. Contains natural substances that have mild anticoagulant effects. This can prevent clots from forming and improve blood flow, reducing the risk of thrombosis. Improved oxygen supply. By improving blood flow, this superfood ensures that the legs and feet receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients. This can relieve symptoms of poor circulation, such as numbness and cramps. Reduced blood pressure. Regular consumption of this superfood has been linked to lower blood pressure, which reduces stress on the cardiovascular system and promotes healthier blood flow. Understanding the impressive array of benefits this superfood offers makes it clear why it is a vital addition to your diet. In the next section, we will discuss how to incorporate it into your meals and reap its benefits for your circulatory health. What is this superfood called? The name of the superfood can vary, and there are several foods known for their positive impact on blood flow in the legs and feet. A common superfood associated with better circulation is garlic. Garlic contains compounds such as allicin, which have vasodilatory, anti-inflammatory, and anticoagulant properties, making it beneficial for blood flow and overall cardiovascular health. However, there are other superfoods such as ginger, turmeric, and cayenne pepper that are also known for their circulatory benefits. You can choose to focus on a specific superfood that suits your dietary preferences and needs, or you can provide information on several superfoods that benefit blood flow in the legs and feet in your guide or publication. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel.